In this demo, you will learn how to use several different model analysis features in MetaModelAgent to analyze details of a capsule in a UML real-time model. MetaModelAgent is an extension to Rational Software Architect family of modeling tools, HCL's new modeling tool, HCL RTist, and the open source modeling tool, Eclipse Papyrus. Support for UML real-time is available for RSARTE and HCL RTist. For this demo, we are using RSARTE. The example model used in this demo is provided by HCL. The example model can be downloaded from GitHub at the following address. To see all capsules that are composited by a specific capsule, you can use MetaModelAgent's trace tree view. Select the capsule you're interested of and open the context menu. Select MetaModelAgent, show in trace tree view, outgoing references, general UML-RT extension, and capsule part. The trace tree view is displayed with a complete capsule composition path for the selected capsule. This capsule is very simple as it contains only one level of composited capsules. To see the properties of the composited capsules, select root capsule and open the context menu. Select Show in Property Table View, Elements, RT Capsule. This displays the property table view with the properties of all composited capsules. Use the trace matrix view to analyze potential connections and connection paths within the composite structure of a capsule. Select the capsule and open the context menu. Select MetaModelAgent, show in trace matrix view, capsule connectors, where there are three alternatives. All explicitly connected ports displays only explicit connectors between the involved capsule parts. All potential connected ports will also include what we call implicit connections. An implicit connection is a potential event flow between a behavior port that can receive events and another behavior port in the same capsule that can send events. As the behavior within the capsule is controlled by a state machine, there is a potential flow of events between the two ports. All potential connected parts will show both explicit and implicit connections, but will hide the ports and only display capsule parts. For this demo, the second alternative is selected. The trace matrix view then shows all explicit connections in blue color and all potential implicit connections in gray color. Hover over a source or target port to display the path to the port. Hover over a cell representing an explicit connections to display the connector between the two ports. To further elaborate a flow path, select the source port, open the context menu and select Show Outgoings in Trace Tree View. This will display the trace tree view with a complete path of explicit and implicit connections starting from the selected port. You can also analyze potential transition paths within a capsule state machine using the trace matrix view. Select the capsule and open the context menu. Select MetaModelAgent, show in trace matrix view, state machine transitions. The view will display all states that are reachable from each other. The state machine is flattened. Composite states are substituted by their nested states. The context button adds context to the labels that makes it easy to identify nested states. All pseudostates except initial states are hidden in the matrix. A filled cell indicates at least one potential transition path between the states. The color indicates the number of intermediate pseudostates. A white dot indicates that the source and target states are involved in a circular transition chain. In the context menu of a cell, you can select to display the shortest potential transition path in the trace tree view. You can also select to display all potential transition paths between the two states in the trace tree view. In the context menu of a source state, you can select to display all potential transition paths starting from the selected state. If a state occurs twice in the path, it will be indicated as circular. Selecting a state in the tree highlights all other occurrences of the same state. In the context menu of a target state, you can select to display all potential transition paths that ends in the selected state. You can switch mode of the trace matrix view to Transitive Mode. The Transitive Mode displays which states that are potentially reachable directly or indirectly from each other. In the Transitive Mode, the cell color indicates the number of intermediate states. In the cell's context menu, you can select to display the shortest or all potential transition paths between the two states. The trace tree view will then show the path between the source and the target, with all potential intermediate states in between. Thank you for watching this demo, and for more information, please visit MetaModelAgent.com.